Hi, thanks for stopping by. I'm here today with the SEWSAMPLER box for May. So let's dig in and see what we got. This is the Be Creative. And the back has a coupon code there. This is Be Creative, box value over $65. And this is also a list that tells everything that's in the box. And let's start with the little things. This is Alphabetti's specialty marking tool. Package contains 26 letters and 10 numbers. It says SEWSAMPLER members receive this item first. It says Alphabetti's. These adorable plastic tiles are perfect for labeling your fabrics after cutting. They pair perfectly with SEWSAMPLER and its Sew Emma patterns. Go neutral with this brand new color of Alphabetti's and let your fabric do the talking. So these are like little 1-inch squares, and they have letters and numbers, and they are out of a plastic material that's pretty heavy duty. And it has the letter on both sides, so you don't have to worry about getting it on the right side. And then there's numbers also. So they're nice when you lay out your cut pieces. You can letter them, use letter or number. So there they are in the bag. Those are come in handy. And we have 2 Aurifil threads, 100% cotton. These are made in Italy. And let's see, I think they're like 200 feet. So what are they? 220 yards. It says 2 small 50 weight Aurifil threads. Not 1 spool, but 2 are included in your box this month. We hand selected them to coordinate with Corey Yoder's Pepper and Flax collection perfectly. Aurifil thread is superior quality thread that is ideal for piecing, quilting, and so much more. Oops. And if you are interested, here are the numbers on them. Those are very pretty colors, and they match the colors in the paper here. And then the next item is our Creative Grids turnaround, the original non-slip ruler, which I do love Creative Grids. I am new to, if you follow my channel, you know that I'm new to quilting, and I've tried several different ones I've gotten inexpensively out and about, and these have been my favorite. This rectangular ruler features easy-to-read black and white markings printed in 1-inch grids marked in 1/8 and 1/4 inch increments. Use black numbers printed on white dots and the 1/4 inch grip sides to cut whole inches. The 1/4 inch dash lines printed on 2 adjoining sides aid in trimming seam allowances. And then here it is flipped over. And I do like how they have the different colors. It makes it so much easier to find what you're looking for. Okay, now let's get to the fabric. This is super cute. I need to get started on these. I'm still finishing up my pink lemonade, so if anyone's following me on my first quilt, I'm still working on that. I do have it all sewed together. So I just have to work on getting a spot where I can lay it out and pin it together to the backing. And then I'm going to work on one of my fat quarter projects. I've got a bunch of those that I want to do too. So this is Pepper and Flax Jolly Bar by Corey Yoder. There's the tag at the front, and then here's the back. And here we go. Get this box out of the way. Very pretty. And here is the pattern, crossover quilt pattern. That's cute. And there's grays, greens, yellows, and different colors of yellows, a dark yellow, a bright yellow. Super cute. I love these kind of little designs and these feminine, these cute little, reminds me of vintage. Just the smaller print, the smaller flowers. I really like those. Let's see, what's that one? There's one there. It's really hard to flip. There's that. There's one more here. There's that one. There's one with all the colors. Another one of those. Super cute fabric, and it's very nice quality. You can just tell that it's really nice quality fabric. That I do like about these, is you get good quality fabric. And that says Fat Quarter Shop exclusive. Blend together spring greens, soft grays, and add a generous splash of sunshine for a sumptuous jolly bar. Beautiful florals are mixed with a little bit of sweet and a little bit of vintage to provide the perfect ingredients for a wonderful project. Enjoy it with any jolly bar pattern or whip up the beehive quilt pattern included in this box. These are 100% cotton, 42 5x10 rectangles. And let's see here. We got a barn block. Okay, this is block number 2 of the barn block. Every month you get like a block of the month recipe card, or now it's just barn block. Before it used to be on like a recipe card. And then the beehive quilt pattern. Okay, so that's different than what was in the... So there's actually 2 patterns here. We got the crossover quilt pattern that came with the fabric and the one in the box. Bonus size option included. So here's the beehive quilt pattern. Super cute. And all the step-by-step instructions. They have lap borders, twin quilt, and lap quilt center. So that is everything. We got a couple patterns. We got our block of the month. We got our thread, our alphabet tees, and our creative grids. And if you're interested in the SEWSAMPLER box, I will have my link down below. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comments. And thanks so much for stopping by. See you again soon. Bye.